So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Pluto TV no sound. Quick fixes for app, TV and streaming device. Fix 1 is check volume and mute setting. Ensure your TV, streaming device or computer is not muted. Press the volume up button on your remote multiple times. Check that the volume slider is the Pluto TV app is turned all the way up is using a browser or mobile device. Second fix is force close and clear cache. Go to your device main setting, select app from the menu, find and select Pluto TV from the list of apps. Choose the option to force stop the app. Select clear cache to remove temporary files. Reopen the Pluto TV app. Test the sound to see if the issue is resolved. Third fix is power cycle your device. Turn off your TV or streaming device, unplug the power cord directly from the wall outlet, wait for 30 seconds to a full minute. Plug the device back in, turn it on and launch Pluto TV. Fourth fix is check audio output setting. Navigate to TV main setting and select sound. Ensure sound output is set to TV speaker unless using a soundbar or external receiver. If using a soundbar, check that all connected HDMI or optical cable are secure. Fifth fix is update or reinstall the app. Check the Roku Channel Store, Amazon App Store or Google Play for update to Pluto TV. If the app is up to date, uninstall Pluto TV completely. Restart your device after uninstalling the app. Reinstall Pluto TV from the App Store. Thanks for watching.